Hello friends. Today I'm going to share a helpful prayer method to convince someone about something good. This can help you solve a disagreement, build trust, or explain your ideas. Stay with me for just 2 minutes to learn this simple and powerful tool. First, remember to have good intentions. This prayer works best when used for something honest and good. Here's how to do it. Wash your hands and face like you do before prayer. Find a quiet spot and say the Durood Sharif prayer 11 times. This is important because it asks for blessings from God. Next, say this verse from the Quran 41 times. Rabish rali sadri, wa yasir li amri, wa luluktatan min lisani, yafkahu kauli. This means, God, please open my heart, make things easy for me and help me speak clearly so others can understand. Think about the person or situation while you say this. Lastly, say the Durood Sharif 11 times again, and pray to God for help and success. Friends, trust in God, and do this prayer with patience and honesty. It's not just the words, but also your belief and intention that matter. Remember, sometimes God waits to give us what we want because He has something even better planned. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Islamic advice. May God guide you and help you succeed. Amen. Thank you for watching.